Hey everybody, today is October 5th. I'm Mr. Sheridan, and this is Earth Science for today. So for those of you who were in class, we basically did a review over all the things that we have covered today, and we talked about the summative assessment, which is going to take place tomorrow on Tuesday, October 6th. So what you need to know is that the summative will be two parts. Number one, there will be a form that will have some multiple choice questions and some long form questions that you will need to answer in essay form. You need to use the vocabulary that we've been talking about when you answer those questions. The other part of the summative is that I am going to ask that for part of those questions, you are going to answer one on Flipgrid. Now, we did Flipgrid earlier in the year. We had some mixed results. Some students were really struggling to get that to work. So please try Flipgrid first when you get the assignment in your classroom tomorrow. But if for whatever reason we can't get that to go, we'll figure out another way. But you don't have to show your face if you really don't want to. I'd rather you did. But I'm going to have you actually fill out and draw parts, one of the answers, and then I want you to talk me through how you came to that conclusion and talk me through what it is that you're going to do. So looking forward to tomorrow. I hope that you all are excited. Make sure that you're reviewing the vocabulary. If you understand that vocabulary, you understand how energy gets made in the sun's core through nuclear fusion, and then moves through the layers of the sun and gets to Earth, you're going to be good. If you know how a star is born and comes in of age to be a star like our sun and then turns into a red giant and a white dwarf, or if you've got a supergiant that ends up blowing up in a supernova, you need to know that. And then you need to know a little bit about the Big Bang Theory and what evidence that we have that supports the fact that the universe is expanding and how we can tell that. However, on Friday, when we were in class, I did not do a great job of explaining that, and I found a video that does a really, really good job. So if you go into your classroom, make sure that you do your daily attendance and your daily check-in, but then when you go down to week 8, I posted a video in here. It's about 10 minutes long. An astrophysicist who's a lot smarter than me, does a really good job of explaining how scientists have shown that the universe is expanding through waves and through light waves. And when we talked about redshift and spectrum, they do a really nice job of talking about that and explaining it in this video. So if you weren't in class today, we watched it live, but if you weren't in class, make sure you go back and watch that. It will help you for tomorrow. So I hope you're all having a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.